I'm going to try and speak as best as I can on this and use my platform for something more than just it being frivolous and for it just being silly and fun and lighthearted. Obviously, I believe God has given me a platform for a reason, and to reach 50,000 reviews is just incredible. So I obviously had a lot of this in my comments, and I went and did the research for myself, like, what is this kind of thing? And it's heartbreaking. I really am trying not to be too emotional and just try and speak properly on this, and I encourage you to look it up for yourself and read the article and sign the petition, because the fact that just nothing is being done, that there's no action being taken, it's just sick. And from what I can see, it's just there's no action being taken. People are saying, the principal, whatever, this is his name, he's not doing anything about it. He knows it's true. There was obviously, like, the doctors had said that this is what had happened, and it is true. And for you to just take no accountability, take no action, there's no marches being happened, from what we can see, there's nothing being done. And I just want to bring awareness to this, to help and maybe share this to someone. And I'm like mincing my words, but it's really, it's hard, it's a difficult thing to talk about, but for me to not talk about it is even worse. I want to be able to help, and in any way I can, and I believe that this is a way that I can share this and bring more awareness to it, so that more action can be done, and more people can take a stand and say, what, this is not right. I have heard that the Bergview College is being deregistered, but what is happening to the principal? It happened on school grounds. She literally just was told to go and sweep the classroom, like an innocent child was just asked to go and sweep the classroom, and then woke up, and then the next time. So if you don't know what happened, go and read the article, search her name. I don't want to butcher the name, tell me if I'm wrong, but I believe her name is Cwecwe. But if I did say that wrong, please tell me. I don't really know, but I do think that's how you say it. And obviously Jaco Pieterse is the name of the principal at the school. And if I did misspeak at all, please let me know so I can tell the story properly, but I do encourage you to go look it up for yourself. Also, this case has been apparently going on since October, and what is the update? Do you know what I mean? I thought this happened recently when I saw all the comments suddenly, but obviously it's just been brought to light now, and I want to share this so that it can get even more traction and be even spoken about more, so that real change can happen. Because why has this man been free? Why is the school still open since October? If he's innocent, why won't he take a DNA test? Is what I'm hearing. So obviously, if I have misspoken any facts, please correct me in the comments. The reason I just want to share this and is just obviously to, I pray that the girl gets healing, that her family is healed, because obviously she is still alive. She's so innocent, so just, precious, and this is obviously so sick. And I just want to be able to help as much as I can. And I encourage you to go and read the article for yourself, and just go and learn about the story, because it just is really heartbreaking. So go and sign the petition, read the article about it. It'll take you 5 minutes, really. It is heartbreaking, but if I have misspoke, please let me know. Other than that, I hope you have a good day.